Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're talking about the reverse lockout and how it works on the T56 and T56 Magnum and some of the other 6-speeds.
So what is the reverse lockout and what does it do? Well, if you look on the inside of it, there's a little nub there. And so electronically, that detent will not go in until the car wants it to. So there's a flat plate here on the shift lever. So if you try to go into reverse by accident, it will stop it. And that'll keep you from going into reverse when you're driving forward. So how the car is set up in the tune, whether it's speedometer or other things, then that's when it will trigger this to allow it to collapse so that you can get the car into reverse. If your car doesn't have this, but you're putting a transmission in that does, then you can usually wire this to your brakes. So every time you hit the brake pedal, it will trigger this and allow it to go in. And that way, if you're driving, you really shouldn't be on the brakes and trying to get it into another forward gear. So that's what a lot of people usually do, is put it on the brakes so that they know how to put it into reverse, or wire in another button. So that's the reverse lockout.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description where I have a playlist on the T56 Magnum and how I installed it in my 2004 SVT Cobra, some of the things I ran into, some of the differences, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.